What's poppin', everybody? It's your boy Young Galaxy, back at it on the TSL Gaming channel with another review. What we got right here in front of everybody's face is a SOUNDCORE Select 4 Go. All day power, vibrant vibes. Now, this is very waterproof. They always advertise that these products are waterproof, but I still think they shouldn't go anywhere near water. You know? So don't be tricked into throwing your shit in the water and that shit don't work. You know what I'm saying? Like, I bet low-key they'd be making money off that shit. You know what I'm saying? With this big ass splash right here. Don't throw your speaker in the water, bro. You know, don't do it. If you're rich, sure, go ahead, man. Test that shit out, bro. It doesn't matter. You got money problems. Don't go throwing your speaker in the fucking water. Okay. So let's talk a little bit about the specs. 20 hours of battery life. 20 hours of playtime, actually. 20 hours of playtime. I've never had a speaker with that long amount of playtime before. I've had many speakers. I've had a lot of speakers. Never had one with 20 hours of playtime. Customizable EQ, that's dope. Again, that water shit. Don't throw your speaker in the water. Lightweight, portable design. The TWS pairing. Yeah, I want to see if this can pair with the earbuds. That would be dope. Because I got the SOUNDCORE earbuds. I want to see if they pair. Vibrant sound. Yeah. So that's all. That's it. So let's bust it open. This looks nice. And one thing I like about SOUNDCORE, all their products are affordable. So I don't ever have to feel like the guilt of buying something that I can't afford. They're pretty much, you can afford them. I like this box too. It's a cool box. Standard box, but pretty dope. So let's open it up. I did not have to bust that side open. Let's get this out of here. Now, I watched a couple of reviews. They talked about these feet. The feet is already coming apart on this one. The feet are already like, they're not that firm. They're not that firm, so watch out. Like this one, I don't know if you saw it, but you can see it. You can see it coming apart. I can feel it. I can feel it coming apart. But I think that's canceled out by how nice this feels when you put it on a desk. It just glubs. You know what I'm saying? Like, I hope you can hear that through the camera. I can't stress enough that though these might fall off, they add a lot of traction and even some, like, they're like hydraulics, you know what I'm saying? That's the best way I can put it. Without wasting too much time trying to figure out what I was thinking about. Anyway, Let's test how loud it is. So I'm gonna get it connected. I'm gonna fuck with the EQ and the app, and then I'm gonna get back to you guys. I'm gonna tell you guys how I feel about it. But first, before we do that, let's see these buttons. Let's see it turn on. Oh, look at that. That sound is dope. That sound is dope. Start at a high volume. Let's start at mid volume. Let's go to high and then go to low. Very crispy. Very crispy. I like the loudness. The JBL version of this speaker, it sounds good, but it isn't that loud, you know? And I like how crisp it still is, but it's still loud.
Every day is spectacular. On that stage like it's magical. Watch me keep my money stacking up. She a modified, so I'm acting up. Please don't tell me lies. I ain't regular. They won't get me deep fried. Tell them step it up. By my dollar sign, see him and don't say none. Multiply 1,000 times my paper. I'm in a spaceship. I'm in a spaceship. Multiply 1,000 times my paper. I'm in a spaceship.
Still sounds good, low. Let's go back to
I'm in a spaceship. Your girl coming up my bed, she give me down. Tell me you my son, won't pick up the phone. Foreign vibes, speaking a language I don't know. She gon' fuck me when it rains and it snow. I know this beat sound like put it on the stove. Keep that healer, nice to meet you, I might blow. Can this beat is the only thing I know. Fuck the drug, fuck the system, I won't fold. Every day I'm spectacular. On that stage like it's magical.
I got the EQ. I got the EQ sounding right, bro.
So I'm acting up. Please don't tell me lies. I ain't regular. They won't get me deep fried. Tell them step it up.
I'm telling you, I'm a boss at this EQ shit. Like, and that little EQ lesson they gave us, that made me a little smarter about how to EQ. You know what I'm saying? I didn't read the whole thing, but.
See him and no say nothing. Multiply 1,000 times my paper in a spaceship. Ain't no worry, I go Miami to Chicago, New York City, Apollo. We ain't looking for supermodels. Your bitch gon' suck and swallow. Method man, how hot? Got shawty acting hollow. In every city I go, I bet them biddies follow. Don't get your titties repo, but this is just a street code. Relationship get vetoed, old story get retold. Got your bitch on a real nigga diet, that's keto. Every day I'm spectacular. On that stage like it's magical. Watch me keep my money stacking up. She a modified, so I'm acting up. Please don't tell me lies. I ain't regular. They won't get me deep fried.
I'm calling this joint super crispy. Super crispy. All right, let's see if there's anything else I want to show you guys about this. Touch controls for the volume. Ooh. Super crispy. So my overall rating, are these speakers a go or a no? I say these speakers are a go. Very crispy highs, very solid bass, solid. These speakers are very solid, and for a cheaper price than the JBLs, I say they're a go. You know, if you think the JBLs sound better, I'd say go with the JBLs. You know, there's nothing wrong with that. These might have like a slightly worse, a slightly tinnier sound, but like they last longer. They last 20 hours and they're louder. And on top of all of that, the sound quality is still on point. Like the bass is still solid, the highs are still crispy as hell, and the mids are still like, I don't know how to explain it. They just thud, like they're solid. So let's go. Alright, it's your boy TSL Galaxy. That was another video on the TSL Gaming channel. Holla at me for 1 week later. We completing the marathon. Just like this.